Said what, buddy?
This is some hard work.
Yeah, I know. All right, pull it on out.
Ready?
Yep. All right, that's good. All right, go ahead.
Okay. Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so.
Alright, y'all, so honest first thoughts about the 5XL rillamat. First thing is thick. Probably the thickest deadener I ever messed with, but it's really that thick because it has that acoustic foam on the front, which is supposed to help a lot when it comes to like standing waves and all that type of stuff. When you first take it out the box, it feels like it's pretty stiff, but as soon as you take this as soon as you take that backing off of it, it is a whole lot more flexible than what it is with that backing on there. Now, as far as like heating it up, since it is so thick, you can't just heat it up for a second. You're gonna actually have to try to heat it up for a good minute, and you know it's really ready when, so let's just say it's kind of thin like that, and once you start heating it up, once it starts doing this on its own, like kind of bending down, that's how you know it's ready. All right, let's get back to doing this car. We got that part done so far. About to put this thing slap in the middle, and then we gonna start tackling this. Alright, so we about halfway. Coming up here to this part. Just a little quick tip. So you see we got this big old dip right here, right? And it kind of won't sit down. What you want to do is make a relief cut on this stick. Push it down like that. That way it adheres to the freaking metal in the car. I was getting a little tired, so I got my new recruit.
Yeah. My dad was getting tired, so that's why I came down here to see what he's doing.
There you go.
It's almost lunchtime.
Yeah, it's almost lunchtime.
Yeah.
All right. Let's roll this out first.
You gotta do it so hard.
Yeah.
With this thing so it can get down.
Yeah, so it can stick. All right, so right now I'm finna take a quick break, but I got the whole floor dead. Let me show y'all what it look like. So the back part, that's just extra sheets that's gonna go on the doors and stuff like that. Got the whole floor dead. I think this literally just need one layer. I would not be doubling this thing up because it is really thick. And I want to make sure that my carpet goes on right. But little areas like that, I don't think I'm too worried about. I know some of you guys that may have OCD might be like, man, get that little spot. Look, I ain't worried about it, so you know what I'm saying, just don't look at, fast forward, whatever. What I think I may do for real is get all the doors, and then what's left, if I have anything left from doing the doors, then I go back and get these little small spots or whatever. Alright guys, so we're moving on to the doors. Biggest thing here, I definitely want to leave all these holes open because that's where my door panel actually go into. I'm going to cut around all the bolts just in case anything has to be replaced, and we're going to make sure that we get that outer part as well as this part right there. Both of these are really thin pieces of metal, but I want to get this part first, so we're going to fold it up, put it inside, and get that done.
No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing you. You are like my sons, I'm going dad on you. Okay, good job, good job. Get mine, no prob. Hit my line, you're irking me. I hit that woosah. No, I don't got perks on me. I sleep good on God. Spend that money, make it reappear. Ta-da. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby cause I know my paper straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to.
Alright, this is what all my doors used to sound like. And now That's the dead noise that you want to hear. 3 more doors and we're gonna be done. So now that I'm actually done with the product, I'm gonna give my quick little review on the quality of the product, how easy it was to install, did it actually work the way that I wanted it to, and did I get my money's worth. So as far as the quality of the product, I'm pretty much happy with everything. I like the way it looks. I like the design of it. I like the fact that it's a 3-in-1 deadener, so you get the rubber, the aluminum, and the acoustic foam. And you know, that should help with like any type of standing waves. And I put it everywhere, on the floor, on the doors, and all that type of stuff. When you first take it out the pack and actually feel it, it doesn't feel real cheap or that it can tear off real easily. It feels like it's well put together. So for that quality of product, I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10. As far as ease of installation, I want to start it off with a 7 out of 10. When you're laying it on flat surfaces and stuff, it's very, very easy. But when it comes to trying to get into those small nooks and crannies, like the inner shell of the door frame to where you got to fold it and put it in, I was having a little bit of trouble just trying to fold it because of it being so thick. So you're looking at 320 mils and folding it in half to give you 640 to trying to fold it inside to try to get that outer shell of the actual door. But I do want to give it some bonus points because out of all of my years of putting down sound deadener material, I have no cuts on my hands. I have cut my hands every time using Dynamite Extreme, Stinger Roadkill, Ballistic, all that type of stuff. And with me and my son in there rolling it, he didn't get cut, I didn't get cut, anything like that. So we're gonna end it off with like an 8.5 out of 10 for ease of installation. So as far as did it work, I'm going to go ahead and start that as an 8 out of 10. And the reason I say that is because my car is really, really loose. You can tap on the door panels and stuff like that, or the roof, and you can see that it resonates really loud. So when after putting the deadener in, I hit the door panel and it did sound dead. So it definitely worked, but I won't know the full potential out of it until I actually get some bass in there, do testing and all that type of stuff to see if it really made a day and night difference. I've had a system in there before when it was walled off, so I know how my panel sound and all that type of stuff. So I want to start it off with 8 out of 10, but I'm pretty sure once the bass gets added, I'll be able to do further testing, and I'll probably give it a 10 out of 10. So as far as did I get my money's worth, I think I definitely got the most bang for my buck. Considering how much deadener that I actually needed to get, I think with the Stinger, their 20 square foot trunk kit costs like $189 on the Stinger website. Now on the Down for Sound website, the 320 mil comes in 72, 38, and 18 square feet. But with the 18 square feet, you're still at $91. Now, I bought the 72 square foot kit, so that comes with 44 sheets. They're 11 inches by 22 inches, and I think the regular price is like $459, but it's on sale very often for like $367 or something like that. So if you think about it, with the Stinger Roadkill, in order for me to get 72 square feet, I would need 3.5 packs. So even if we just did 190 times 3, that would be $570, and I still wouldn't have enough sheets to finish out the car. And I don't even want to talk about the Dynamat price because that was $226 for 20 square feet. Now I understand that you can go to Amazon. I was just checking the direct website prices. It's probably way cheaper on Amazon, but at the end of the day, I did my whole entire floor. I did all 4 doors on the outer shell and on the front panel, and I still have close to like 6 sheets left. I didn't do the roof because I'm doing something special with the roof, with the whole enclosure that I'm building for the wall and everything like that. But for the most part, $367. I got 72 square feet and I have 6 left. I might actually give one of those away so one of you guys can try it. I don't know if y'all want to do something like that. Y'all just let me know in the comments. But overall, get my money's worth, I'll go ahead and give that a 10 out of 10. And that's about it from your boy JP, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Make sure you stick around for more updates on the Grand Marquis because I'm trying to get this thing done as quick as possible. Y'all stay rocking with me for more updates on the Grand Marquis so I can show y'all what's coming up next so we can get this thing show ready. And I'll catch y'all at the next show.